to California. You pretend I didn't know you. Yeah, I know the time we had is over. Was I here just for the summer? No time to get to know you. But there is a chance that I'll be with you. But did it all here? Was it nothing in the grand scheme? Nighttime you didn't end me till the morning. Got me doubting it all.
OK，就係咁嘅。咁 basically 嗰2個禮拜，今個學年就完啦。然後之後我就要執嘢咯。Well，其實我呢間房我都住咗成年㗎，but yeah，I kind of need to pack up。然後之後我哋而家就嚟到我喺後面呢度嚟拎嘢咯，好唔好？去執嘢啦。
Just go home. I knew she's the only one you ever loved for good.
我唔知呢個係咪寄宿舍係咁啦，但係其實我算係一個要同幾多人講再見嘅人啦，即係可能每一年每個 term， 可能都有啲人嚟嚟去去咁樣喺宿舍，咁唔係每個 term 啦。But yeah， 基本上呢度嘅人可能年年都會有好多你識咗可能好多年嘅人，好熟嘅朋友，將要去離開，繼續佢嘅人生。Well, I think this is kind of also life, but yeah, which is 其實我下年都要離開呢一個地方 in general， but yeah 下年會真係有條片去 break down 呢樣嘢 ，but 我真係已經再諗唔到，再 imagine 唔到，哇！我下年真係全校最大嗰級 Year 13 what the fuck？ So guys, I'm fucking back with this bag. Right. Anyway, it's food in there. So I got this. Apparently my mom wants these. And these. Apparently I don't know. Just let my mom try some. This is mine. This one is for my mom. That's all really. It's not that much, but yeah. I'll probably eat some of the biscuits, and yeah, that's probably it. It's alright. And I buy some ice creams and also buy some seafood sticks. Then that's all. It's good. It's good stuff to buy though. And yeah, end of year I guess. Then yeah, that's good. So far so good. And I need to call my mom now. I think you guys can tell where this is now. It's actually that part of it, but yeah. 我估出呢條片嘅時候，嗰條片已經未出嘅 ，but yeah, sneak peek, you know. Okay, alright. So yeah, as you can see 後面嗰度就係一個草叢啦 ，which is 係我可以話係可能10秒喺入邊啦，but yeah。呢度都係我其中一個最中意嘅場景，全間學校。如果話要攝影嘅，而家講淨係講拍片喎，唔講影相嘅，呢個係我最中意嘅。影相係第二度嘅，因為好老實講，呢個地方我都唔知點樣影，我唔知點樣可以影得好好喎，至少。Yeah， 如果拍片嘅話，yeah， 的確 is good of， but yeah，hey， it is good。Hey，let's walk around。I don't know，but yeah。It's a good place though. What the fuck？ 過去啊，直接行過去啊！ So far so good。買一個燒肉冰，然之後就買個 pizza，然後之後就行一行買咗燒肉冰嘅話，was good。So OK I guess。然後之後而家越嚟越凍，黐碼15度嘅而家21度，屌咁閪凍喺度係，好後悔冇帶褸 ，but whatever。Now we here， we're in 男廁出邊嗰個。一個鬼就係我 friend 啦，喂，即係
可以錄影啊
！Under the sea, you want to go diving, bro?
Again, not again, bro. Not again, bro. Stop it, stop, bro.
Yeah, long day, fun day also。係咯，雖然我係住喺呢一區嘅，但係其實我係唔係成日都好多機會可以出去玩咁成咁。今日有呢個機會，非常之好。然之後我哋而家就係喺宿舍入邊啦。Well, that is fine. That's fine, but yeah. How the fuck I get system data? Right， 好似有少少太黑啫。Need to set the scene. This is like just a lot like a pattern big. I like all of my cups so dirty. I've been sipping that bloody milk. I'm in all of my.
有啊，啱啦。咁又話今次應該都係我最後一次喺個 lounge 出邊我覺得幾有趣嘅，幾有趣嘅一個地方。呢個位就係你會見到一大堆人係掹一部 MacBook 嘅咁樣做嘢，然後又有第二班人係好似我哋啲學生咁喺度睇劇啊、播劇咁成成，有啲人喺度嘆世界，喺度飲紅酒咁成成，真係好多唔同嘅人嘅，真係。我就係掹個 laptop 出嚟做講笑唔係我係掹部 MacBook 出嚟睇 YouTube， 然後之後up 咗一條 YouTube 片，然後之後 up 咗2條 clip 嘅，但係
Just go.